Hey San Diego friends, it's Greg here. As you can tell, I'm up in the mountains, but I wanted to send out an invitation. I have something I'd like to invite you to. Every year I have a ritual. At the end of the year, I do a year review and a vision for the next year. And this year I want to do something a little bit unique. I'm going to do it at my beach house. And I'm going to take a very spiritual, kind of a shamanic approach to it, which is, for me, it's kind of the way I do it. But I want to invite you into this idea. Shaman are people who travel to different dimensions, and they time travel, they shapeshift, they go into different alternate states, they get information, they come back to the regular ordinary world, and then they can have that healing and that implementation. So we're going to do some visualization, some prayer, and take a very spiritual, holistic approach to goal setting. We're going to focus on healthy body, healthy mind, healthy finances, and healthy spirit. And if that sounds like something you'd like to join me on, please RSVP. We're going to have a 2-hour workshop from 10 to 12, and we're going to do the exercises and set you up with your goals for the year, and also give you some game strategies for vision boarding. And then we're going to have a little lunchtime. We're going to have some healthy food from 12 to 1. So if you can join me, please RSVP below so I know that you're going to be there. And either way, have a great holiday season, and I hope the end of the year is phenomenal for you and that next year is amazing. Have a great day.